All right, getting the week started off right with a midnight paint job. So figured I'd come down here and prep it all out and paint it. So I pulled the fender flare back and taped it all up the best I could. The plastic blew off the tire. I had it taped and it didn't work the way I wanted it to. And it got a tiny bit of dirt in the bottom there, but that's covered up by the running board, so it's not a big deal to me. And then, you know, just pristine clear. A few little dirt nibs here and there. Obviously I'm painting in a shop, so it's not the best place to paint. But, and the floor is dried up since I wet it down. But, yeah, so hopefully you guys, you know, like the outcome. I mean, that was a big giant rot hole, and now it's not. So it's all that matters to me. Hope you guys enjoyed, you know, what we got to deal with in the Northeast here and trying to fix stuff. So take it easy, guys. This is the beginning of my week.